Hello everyone, this is Midlife Music Teacher and I'm Mrs. G. And I was going to film a reaction video for you for this week. I filmed the whole thing, and then when it got down to having to edit it, I came across some difficulties. So I abandoned the reaction video, and I will not totally abandon reaction videos, but it's something I'm going to have to revisit, think about a little bit more. I think I just bit off a little bit more than I could chew in that moment for this upcoming week's video. What I decided to do instead was follow a little bit of a trend that I've seen on Instagram and social media, and that is a look back at 2016, 10 years ago. And so that's going to be the focus of this video. Let's take it from the top. '16 was a year for the books, and while a lot was going on, and sometimes as human beings we focus on negative things. We think back on something, we think back on the previous day, or we think back on the previous week or the previous month, and the negative things are what kind of come to the forefront. Oh, this went terrible, or this didn't go the way I planned, or I was disappointed about this or that. And we forget to just kind of focus on the positive things that happened. So 2016, despite all the negative things that happened that year, there were some positives. And as I really kind of looked back, I saw a theme, and the theme was chorus. Chorus and choral singing is what got me through 2016. So let's have a little bit of a look back on 2016. At the beginning of 2016, in January, that is when I had my 6th grade chorus concert in collaboration with the 6th grade band. Then I had my elementary school chorus concert, and that was in collaboration with the other elementary school. Our 2 elementary schools combined, and we did a elementary choral concert. I don't need riches, oh no, I don't need fame, but it's okay, I count my blessings just the same. Oh, I don't need money, oh no, to find my way, but it's okay, I count my blessings every day. After that, my middle school, 6th grade and 7th and 8th grade choruses began to prepare for festival. Festival season was amazing in 2016. My groups did fabulous. The 6th graders went to elementary choral festival. So we listen, so we listen. In moments clear and moments to hear with wonder, the brightest streets, the strength comes. So when we sing, with voices pure and strong, love gifts around us, the silence and the song, love gifts around us, the silence and the song. 7th and 8th graders not only went to our state festival and scored a superior, but we also went to Music in the Parks festivals of music in Six Flags, and we did great at those festivals also. I was so proud of the kids and everything that we accomplished. And then in the summer of 2016, I joined a community chorus. And so there was a summer pops orchestra locally. They performed some of their pieces with a chorus. So we didn't perform in the entire concert, but we did about 3, maybe 4 pieces with the orchestra. And so that was just voluntary, and it was just something to do over the summer. We had a few rehearsals prior to the shows, and then we did the shows, and we performed in some very cool performance venues, and that kind of took me through the summer of 2016. And then when we went back to school in 2016, my 6th grade chorus and my 7th and 8th grade chorus is going with new material. That fall, I did a fun recruitment with my 6th grade chorus, and as a prize, I let them hairspray color my hair for the day. My elementary choral program kicked off again when we came back to school. The focus, the high points of 2016 was chorus and choral singing. Chorus and choral singing got me through 2016. Now here it is 10 years later, 2026. I never would have imagined the journey that I would have been on to be in this position. I no longer do chorus as the only thing. Chorus is the extra thing. And so if you watched last week's video, which I'm pretty sure not many people did, doesn't have many views, please go watch it. But chorus to me, as a band person who never thought she would be doing chorus, as I look back now on the past decade of my career, chorus has brought me so much passion and joy, and I never thought when I first started my career in 1998 or when I first started college in 1993 as a band person that I would become a chorus person. But that is what I have become, even though I'd really only do chorus as an extra now. I can tell you with certainty that my journey has turned me into a diehard choral person. I don't know how my chorus journey will continue from this point, but that's just what I wanted to look back on. 2016 was the year of chorus. Chorus got me through that year. And so I just thought I would keep it simple and short for this week's video because my intended video wasn't working out. So I will have to revisit the whole reaction video thing. And thank you for joining me on this little look back at 2016. Please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. There'll be more stories about chorus to come. My elementary chorus program has just gotten underway, so I'm sure there'll be more stories to come with that as well. So please subscribe to my channel for future chorus, music, and other types of videos to come. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.